Good day everyone. In this video we will see how to log in and use CRM and dialer. So let's begin. First step, we need to log in into CRM using our username and password, opening the received link. So once we enter in the CRM, we go to the dialer and we do same with our username and password of the other. They are different, okay? So this is important. So we are already here. We have the statuses, we have the leads, and once we are here, we will select the campaign that we will need to call or use. This will be set by administrator, supervisor, it depends. Okay. So we click on submit.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Yes, exactly. You will listen that tone. It's important to listen that tone. So it means that we are into the system. Okay. So we have this green button here. It's important to click on it so the system will start to dial automatically to it's on the queue, the list. So what we do, we click here, I repeat, we'll start receiving calls. In this case, we will receive a test call so we can check up how.
Καλώς ήρθατε στο κέντρο εξυπηρέτησης πελατών της Leroy Merlin. Το κατάστημά μας είναι ανοιχτό Δευτέρα με Παρασκευή από τις 8 το πρωί έως τις 9 το βράδυ και το Σάββατο από τις 8 το πρωί έως τις 8 το βράδυ. Μπορείτε να κάνετε τις αγορές σας μέσω του e-shop.
Okay, I will hang out. So, what's happening here? So we have the lead open it. Okay, it should open automatically, but in some cases it's important to click here so we allow Chrome or Firefox or Edge to open these pop-ups automatically. Okay, so we click here, we allow it, and next time it will be opened automatically. What happens here? We have the lead. So if we are talking with the person, we can fill the data, we can change the status. So what happens in the case that we talk with the person? Well, we will select, after the call is finished, we will select here, OK Talk, and we have to update the lead on the CRM, okay, on this window that is opened. Remember, if the window is not opened, we always have this button here, web form, and we can open it from here, okay? But it should be opened automatically by allowing the browser to do it. Okay, so we have here if we talk, we select the status, like for example, if we confirm the sale, if it's a spam, okay, if it's a person with minus 18 years, it depends, okay, language barrier. That's it. Now, if we did not talk, it's a automatic answer or it's a BC or it's a beep beep beep. Well, we just close here. We don't need to change the status here. Just click close the window and we click here 2 times or on submit. Okay, click 2 times. Okay, so that's it. That's how it works. Remember that it's important to allow the dialer to open the pop-up. So this window here, you will have just if you need to make some manual call, we can check here the lead. Okay, that we just said it was in new leads and now it's in auto answer because well we set that status here. Pause, and now let's check how to make manual calls. Okay, how we make manual calls? Well, we have this number, we have this button. This is important. If for some reason the number have not the prefix of the country, we need to add it here. Okay, so to make manual calls, we have to be in pause. We cannot be expecting an active here. So copy the number. We have this button. It's very easy. Paste the number, and we just click on call. You see? Now the.
Καλώς ήρθατε στο κέντρο εξυπηρέτησης πελατών της Leroy Merlin. Το κατάστημά μας είναι ανοιχτό.
Now what we are seeing here? Well, for some reason, the dialer did not detect that the lead ID. Okay, because we are making a manual call, sometimes this can happen. So it will say in the CRM that it did not found this lead because this lead ID don't exist. Okay, so this is something that in the future will happen less, but well, now it's happening. What we do? Well, nothing. We just close here because we have the lead opened here. Okay, and we continue. If we talk, so we don't have to worry about that window pop up that have 404 because obviously we are already on the lead. Okay, and this should not happen in the automatic calls that you will receive. If for some strange reason it happens, just contact support. And well, that's a resume of the how to make automatic calls and how to make manual calls on the dialer that is integrated with the CRM. So thanks. Any question? We're here. Have a good day.